Daisies have been around for many, many years. And they might come in and out of fashion, but I strongly urge you to plant one or two in your garden. They do prefer the dry winter months. Going into summer, they do get a bit spoilt, and you can see I'm busy just deadheading as we're going along here. So when the rainy season does come, they do take a bit of a beating, but it simply is a bit of a deadheading, and on they go again. So there are small varieties which have been bred specifically for smaller gardens, like this little double white behind me, which is just superb, nice and compact, not bigger than 30 centimeters. These Madeiras get slightly taller, 40 by at least 60 in width, lovely ball-shaped in every color that your heart can imagine. I love the yellows to add a bit of brightness to any border, and as a pot specimen, they are just fantastic. Now remember, as your daisy starts getting a bit older, say after 18 months or after 2 years, it's going to start opening up in the center and almost falling over. At that point, the plant is telling you that it needs a good haircut, a good pruning. And you'll see as we open it up here, if we look inside, you'll see the new little shoots that are trying to push through. So you give it a pruning down to those new shoots, give it a good feeding of some organic fertilizer, or even a chemical fertilizer, whatever you've got, sprinkle it around it and give it a good watering, and up it'll come for another good 2 years of beautiful color. If you've let your daisy bush go on and on and on and on, so it's got a very woody, gnarled stem, I would strongly suggest that you then only prune half of the plant, prune half of this, wait for it to start coming away, and then prune the other half. But I just love them, from the little red eyes, the pale pinks, the whites, and even the bright yellow. There's always a space for them in my garden, and I hope you find space in yours too.